Hartley & Noble have sent me their new pottery stacker system. It's been designed to work with the Hartley & Noble bat system, which I am already a huge fan of. It comes with 5 different pottery forms, so I can do dinner plates, side plates, trinket dishes, and they're deep. So you could choose to do a shallow one or a deep one. Remember to compress your clay as you're rolling.
Using the form as a guide, cut about 1 inch wide.
Now we drape. Just getting the clay to adhere to the form, starting at the top and working around the edges.
Now the needle tool and measuring guide.
Goes on the back, just to get rid of excess. Just going to take a damp sponge, finish with a rib. Nice smooth edge. So now it just needs to dry a little bit. You elevate and take your hands away without affecting the edge. When the clay's holding its shape and it's no longer wet to the touch, to remove it from the stacker form. Tidy up this rim a little bit. I'm going to let it dry on my shelf under plastic, just so it dries slowly. I genuinely think that even a beginner would get good results with this system.